Struggling to regain your tightness post-pregnancy? Curious about restoring that natural feeling? Discover how to get tight again after giving birth and reignite your intimate confidence. Natural tightening with VG3 tablets. VG3 tablets are crafted from proven plant extracts to tighten the genital passage naturally. They address issues like post-childbirth looseness, menopausal changes, and other factors affecting tightness. Challenges after childbirth. Postpartum changes. Many women find it challenging to regain natural tightness even after 6 months post-childbirth. This can lead to dissatisfaction in intimate moments with their partners. VG3 tablets have been a game-changer for women facing such challenges. User testimonials. Women have shared their experiences of feeling like a virgin again after using VG3 tablets. These testimonials highlight the effectiveness of VG3 in restoring tightness and boosting confidence in bed. Benefits of VG3 tablets. All-age solution. VG3 tablets are suitable for women of all ages seeking to regain tightness and enjoy intimate moments with their partners. They promote overall reproductive health. Rejuvenation and blood flow. The potent herbs in VG3 tablets promote healthy blood flow, rejuvenate reproductive organs, and provide essential nutrients. This combination helps in faster cell regeneration and thickening of genital walls. Prevent excessive discharge. VG3 tablets control excessive vaginal discharge, enhancing pleasure during intimacy. They also combat infections, yeast, and harmful bacteria, maintaining a healthy genital environment. Usage instructions. Insert one VG3 tablet into your genital passage 30 minutes before lovemaking or bedtime. Experience fast dissolving and tightening effects, lasting over 120 minutes for repeated intimate moments. For long-term benefits, use VG3 tablets daily for 3 months. Strengthen the genital passage, satisfy your partner, and enjoy enhanced pleasure during lovemaking. Discover enhanced intimacy with VG3 tablets. Experience the joy of regained tightness and enhanced pleasure with VG3 tablets, the best herbal product for improving intimacy naturally. Say goodbye to post-pregnancy challenges and hello to confident and satisfying intimate moments. Purchase VG3 tablets from ayurvedresearch.com and embrace a fulfilling and pleasurable intimate life. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.